Hey everybody, guess what? Delivery day. Time for a quick unboxing of this month's edition of Bespoke Post. I got the coffee themed one. I can't remember what it's called, but you'll see in just a second. So here we go. Here we go. And it says, oh, enjoy. So this is, it's called Roast. It's going to basically should come with a burr grinder, a nice thermal thing. But let's dig right into this. So here is, let's start by showing the good stuff. Oh, here we go. This is basically a travel press. Very interesting, very cool little piece. Nice and solid construction, honestly. There we go. Let's pull it out. Oh yeah, look at that, nice and clean. We're gonna run it through the dishwasher though. Not dishwasher safe. Hand wash only. Make sure you do that the right way. Don't use soap, because you don't want to have to drink soapy coffee all the time. So it comes with its own little kit. Nice little pieces, honestly. It's got a nice little opener right here so you can see it all. And here it does come with a micro filter. So as you can see there, nice and clean, nice and shiny. Oh, come on, you piece of crap. I'll play with it later and figure out how to open it and all that fun stuff, because clearly it comes out. But like I said, this is mostly just an unboxing to show this stuff off, just because I got some new toys and just want to play with it all. So, and we get a nice small little bag of coffee from Barista Parlor Roast. Barista Parlor out of Nashville, Tennessee. Kind of a bit of a coffee snob working for Black Rifle Coffee, so we'll see how this stuff actually works. Ooh. Ooh, actually, it's got a nice little smell to it. Kind of interesting, but nice little small bag that it came with it, so I'll be using the hand grinder for that. Get some nice taste out of it. Now, for the magic, the grinder. Boom, ba boom. Ooh, it was a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, picture on the website does not do it justice for how big it is. Yeah, that's what she said. Wow, nice. Yeah, we'll basically open this thing up. There's your grinding piece right there. The teeth, the mill that you'll use to actually grind it all together. And then obviously the pot that it all goes into. Nice little rubber coating on the bottom. Has a nice solid firm grip to it. Allows for being able to turn and twist. Here's the handle for it. Here's the crank handle, which obviously we got to take this off in order to get that piece on there. And we'll drop it on there, and that's how you use it. So obviously there's going to be a lot more involved with this, because as you can see there's a lot more in here, but obviously the fine-tuning aspects will come later when it comes to actually making the coffee. This is just to show it off, see what we get. But yeah, this is the Roast Coffee Grinder box from Bespoke Post. Hit the link in the description. Follow that link and you'll be able to get yourself a nice discount on your first box. So just hit the link, pick yourself out. And the nice thing about Bespoke Post, and honestly this is something that's heavily underrated about this, you can pick your box. They kind of give set recommendations. They'll answer a few questions. It'll guide you to your first box. But then going forward, it'll pick the boxes for you. However, you have the ability to pick your own box. This was the option for this time around, and I've always wanted a hand grinder and a travel press, so I decided, what the hell, let's keep it. Going forward, though, I mean, I've been able to choose my own box. I picked out getting a second barrel to add to my bar kit and everything, so it's a nice little addition. Oh, hi, kitty. Here's your kitty. Anyways, yeah, if you guys ever have any questions on Bespoke Post, the type of boxes you can choose from, they've got great outdoor gear, pretty well made for the most part. There's a couple little things here and there that obviously they're little cheap throw-ins, but honestly, I am not disappointed with this whole setup, because honestly, a nice hand burr grinder and a travel press for 45 bucks, or I'm sorry, prices did just go up recently because of all the shipping and the nonsense and the bullshit. So, but go check them out. Worth every penny, seriously. Really well-made stuff. The sky's the limit, a lot of options. But what's even cooler is they have an online store you can buy more stuff from. So seriously, go check them out, bespokepost.com, or click the link in my description of this video. Have any other questions? Let me know, but keep an eye out for a video of me using this bad boy. So Check it out. Follow, subscribe, share with your friends, make friends. If you don't have friends, make friends. And then when you make those friends, send them my way. Deuce.